So this demo is going to be talking about the update, and you know, so when we're looking at that timers demo, you noticed I said something about, we found a little bug there, you know. So and you might be thinking, well, gosh, I get this thing home and it's got a bug, then I'm just stuck with it. Well, no, this is an Internet of Things device. It can download updates from the cloud, and the way you do that is you go to the menu and then go to knobs, and see where it says update right here. You just you click on the edit, and then you just say yes, and then save it, and that will kick off the update. And what's nice about that is you're no longer forced to update stuff. You know, a lot of these devices out there, sometimes they'll just push them to you, down to you, whether you want them or not. But if your device is working, you know, fine, you don't want to mess with it, and everything's just happy, you know, you don't have to update it. Now we'll contact you if there's you know, some security problems, and you know, there's like a security patch that needs to be added. But you know, if you don't want new features and don't want to mess, you don't have to. And that was a nice thing. But if you do want all the latest and greatest, you can download them every time a new load comes out, and you can also access that through the menu. If you go to the I don't know if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Controls. Yeah, it says controls and knobs. We'll fix that. That's a little confusing. But so you go to the controls in this menu. It's knobs over here, and you can see there's the update right there. So you just select this. This is also where you can reboot and shut down the clock. Like you know, this thing will handle being unplugged and plugged back in, but you know, it is a little computer, so you know, it's best to shut it down. Or if you want to reboot it, you know, you can reboot it from here, or update it, or shut it down. I'm sure not too many people use the shutdown, or will use the shutdown, but actually, if you shut it down, it will boot faster. Otherwise, it's got to go through a file system check before it boots up. So yeah, so that's the update, and also you can see, if you go to status, you can see where it's at. So right now it's on software rev 0.2, and so you know, you can you know, if you want to go to 0.3, and you know, by the time this hits the market, it'll probably be at 1.0. These are still development loads, but yeah, that's the way. And we'll go over this status in a separate video. But yeah, that's the way you perform the updates, and so it's, you know, you're constantly going to get updated software for any of these little fixes, and we'll probably add maybe one of these days, if you want to have it automatically updated, or you can set that, maybe the config say auto update equals yes. If you just want it continuously, you know, updates pushed without you ever having to worry about it. But right now we don't do that. We give you the option of choosing when to update your MX3.